Unlocking the Mystery. Understanding Taciturn. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of English to make it more accessible and fun for you. Today, we've got a special word on our agenda: taciturn. We're going to explore what it means, how it's used, and give you some examples to help cement your understanding. So, stay tuned, and let's unravel the mystery together. Taciturn is an adjective that describes a person who is reserved or says very little. When you think of someone who is taciturn, picture someone who prefers to keep their thoughts to themselves and doesn't indulge in small talk or unnecessary conversations. This word doesn't necessarily describe someone as rude. They might just be naturally introverted or prefer to observe rather than participate. The word taciturn comes from the Latin word taciturnus. Understanding the origin of the word can help us appreciate its meaning better. In Latin, taciturnus is derived from tacere, which means to be silent. So, when we refer to someone as taciturn, we are essentially highlighting their silent nature. Now, let's see how we can use taciturn in sentences. 1. Even though she was usually taciturn, Jane spoke passionately about animal rights. 2. In this sentence, taciturn helps to emphasize the contrast between Jane's usual quietness and her passionate speech. 3. Mark is known for being taciturn, so it's always a surprise when he shares a story. 4. Here, taciturn is used to describe Mark's typical personality. 5. The teacher found it challenging to engage with the taciturn student during class discussions. 6. In this example, taciturn helps to explain why the student's participation is limited. It's important to understand that being taciturn is not always a negative trait. In some cultures, being reserved is seen as a sign of respect or thoughtfulness. However, in more outgoing societies, taciturn individuals might be misunderstood. So, when you hear or use the word, pay attention to the context to get a better sense of what it implies about the person being described. And that wraps up our journey into the word taciturn. We hope that this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and the context in which it can be found. Remember, enriching your vocabulary is a great step towards fluency, and you're doing fantastic by taking the time to learn with us. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.